Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see about how to use the mirror option in the solid edge. Okay, first let's open the part. So first I will show in creating the extrude to mirror the features. Okay, let's create any one of the sketch first. Okay, with respect to this plane, let's make a simple rectangle for understanding purpose. Like okay, 40. Then we'll keep 20 0 degree angle. Okay, this is the our base plane for any extrude options. Okay, let's extrude this to around 10 mm or fine, yeah, 10 mm. Okay, fine. So now we created the base object, this one. So now we need to create the features which we want to mirror. Okay, now for that one just we'll make a simple circle in that base plane or base body here. So we'll take small circle or with okay, with diameter we'll measure the diameter accurately. We'll make 5 mm diameter. Okay, 5 mm, this the diameter is 5 mm. Okay, from in order to keep the proper, we'll measure in between how much distance is there. Like around we will keep around 10 mm from the center line to the center of the axis of the circle. Okay, now we'll go close this sketch, finish. We will make I mean we will use the extrude also, no issues for this one. We will extrude the object like up to around 25 mm. I mean this is for like random numbers. Based on your design you can modify the numbers. Okay, now I created this part. Okay, now I want to mirror this object into the next, just opposite to this one, mirror of this one. Okay, let's go to the mirror option. There are two options, mirror copy feature and mirror copy part. Okay, now we'll go the picture because we create the extrude picture. Now we need to select the corresponding feature which we need to mirror. Okay, now select the plane, the corresponding plane, we need to select it. That's it. So this is the simple mirror option in the solid edge. So based on this method you can mirror whatever you want and with respect to the different plane also. Okay, now I will create the separate plane with respect to with the parallel to this one to show the overall mirror option of the hall. Okay, so let's create one particular plane with parallel to this one. Okay, let's keep 50 mm. Okay, fine. Now we will do the mirror option for the same. Okay, so mirror option based on the feature. Okay, now I will select all the part whichever we done here. So we can select in the tree also, as well as we can select the mouse also. So I have selected this one. Now we need to select the plane, which plane we need to keep. Okay, now I created plane 50 mm, right? So now you can see the mirror is came here. Okay, this is how we can make the mirror based on with the features. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.